Ah, hello. I am the awful chef. I gotta eat, so I'd better cook something. I have a problem with this channel, and that is that I try to make things that are very basic, very simple, and sometimes I get worried that they're too simple, that people won't believe this is really how you can make a simple plate of food. So, for tonight's episode, I have rehearsed how to make things complicated. Hello, I am Julia Child, and welcome to the French Chef. Today we will be taking an old school American favorite and deconstructing it and reconstructing it with a bed of greens and a fancy French mustard sauce. There. I hope that sounded complicated because this really isn't. In fact, it's so simple that there is pretty much no cooking involved except for boiling a pan of water. So, let's get started. I like bread with my meal, a good French bread. So you cut it, of course, cut off a piece, put some oil on it, on one face, put it under the broiler, give it a good toast, and then take a clove of garlic, cut it in half, and smear the cut side on the bread. Garlic toast. It's a very nice thing to have with a meal. This is a lettuce dish. So, snack pack. Hearts of romaine lettuce. 1 heart of romaine. Plenty of lettuce for 2 people. Lasts forever in the fridge. Now for the cooking part. Medium boiled egg. Yeah. Put a hole in the pointy end with a push pin. Boil some water with some salt in it. Throw this in for about 7 minutes is how we like them here. Pull it out. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not going to show you how to boil an egg. The hole lets the pressure out, and so the shell doesn't crack. After you boil the egg, of course, pour off the hot water, leaving the eggs in the pot, typically using the lid as a strainer. Add some cold water to stop the cooking and shake it around to break up the shell, and then use a spoon to get under the shell. Yeah, I know. Hard-boiled eggs. Impossible. So, you got lettuce, you got an egg, you got toast. Let's put it all together. What we are making tonight are hard-cooked eggs in mustard sauce, which is a French dish. And it's basically a reconstruction of soft-boiled eggs on toast. Only it's not on toast, it's on lettuce with a very nice French, dressing, I guess would be a good way to say it. So here we have, I'm going to have to move the camera. Everybody get ready for motion sickness. Blah, blah, blah. Here we have, of course, a few cloves of garlic with some salt and some olive oil. Okay. This is one of those rare times when you actually could use a garlic press if you so desired. Just remember, there's a fine line between garlic and insect repellent. This is our magic ingredient, Creole Mustard. Any coarse grain mustard will work, but the first time I made this, I accidentally reached over and grabbed this, and it was simply magnificent. So yeah, Creole garlic mustard. Bet that sounds terrible. So there is literally, as I try to adjust this for the camera, most of our magic sauce. Okay. So a little bit of white wine vinegar. And some basic magic black pepper. Okay. So what you do is you take the lettuce, rinse it, spin it dry. Yes, you do need a salad spinner or some other way to properly dry your lettuce, as I get garlic all over the table. Lay it on a plate. Lay a couple of soft boiled or medium boiled eggs on top. Open them up, let the yolks spill out, let it be all nice and pretty. And then add this magnificent garlic Creole Mustard salad dressing. Oh, that is serious. Yes, if you could put that on a pork chop or something, you'd be very impressed. Oh. So, that's it. Hard-cooked eggs. Da-da-da-da-da. On a bed of lettuce with a classic French mustard sauce, reimagined very slightly using Creole mustard. I know, it sounds too simple. If you want some meat, you know, you can grill up a piece of that pork-based tofu, I always call it, just a sandwich ham, and have that standing by as well. But literally, it's that easy to make a plate of food. Wash the lettuce, toast some bread, boil an egg, mix up some stuff, and have a good sauce. So, that's it. I'm the Awful Chef. Please subscribe. Otherwise, YouTube will think I'm anti-social social media. That's it. Thank you. Bye. And please, give it a try. You'll be surprised. It's very good food.